Hello guys, this is where we are going to sleep over tonight. Okay, because I want to show you a process of this is one of the process on how what we call this, the way we going to sell the copra. So this is the copra. Copra is a coconut. So as you can see, it is a coconut shell behind me. It's a coconut. And then I don't know if it's correct term, the coconut meat or the white one. We're going to get that, and for us to be easily grip like this, to make this empty, I will show you, because earlier today it was partially smoked, and now when I was in the other farm harvesting, my sister and brother-in-law do the thing, which is gripping the coconut. This is how it looks now. So this is, guys, make a fire beneath or under this, what we call, whatsoever you call this, but this is the coconut. May tawagan ng unod ay meat, no? Coconut meat. Murag lain man, oy. Murag that good, ha? Copra, copra. So this is, guys, we smoke this karni gani, meat, coconut meat, basta it's copra, oh, according to the master. So this is, guys, so this one, so a lot of copra under this. So we smoke that it because to make it dried. So this is my sister. Yes, so see, it's like a bonfire, and it's so nice here. Actually, this is my first time and also their first time sleeping here. So actually this is a short video. It is because I'm running out of battery. It's so, but anyways, this is the place. We are surrounded with the cacao, coconut, and I like it here. It is because we have a water supply. So this one, so there's a stream here. I apologize for that. I know magbabash naman kayo. It's because there's a lot of plastic cellophane, but biodegradable man din yan. So this is a drinking water. I will drink this. See, this is safe. This is from the mountain. This is a mineral water. And meanwhile, the couple, the husband and wife, is here. They are not the owner, guys, of the house, the nipa. So this is where we cook. So this is the kitchen. So see, this is a typical like a barn. Yeah, it is a barn. It is because naano to ang baso, because all things here is for farm work. And then, guys, let's have coffee. See, coffee here. Coffeeing. Super coffeeing. Coffee. Why it's coffeeing? Drinking coffee. Diba? Okay. You know, guys, it's really nice here. It's because it's very peaceful. So, and it's really quiet. I know everyone would love to be there. See? And look at my sister. She's washing. Huh? So that water is unlimited. You can drown yourself on that water. It's because it's free. Diba? And the other side is the person here, there, who will take care, nagatiman, anak ba? He is the in charge of the copra. Huh? But dapat baka ni sa ubang mga lugar na sa mga Africa, anak. Pulisi nga ang mga process na ingani. Diba? See, this is your view. It's a beautiful, and look at that. The Mount, sabi na nga Mount dira, Mundo Hill. Mundo Hill na gamay. So, gamay means small or little. So, meaning to say, little Mundo Hill. Little mountain. Guys, grabe jud siya. Super, purya buyag. And there is a stream. Do you have slippers? Slippers? Okay, there's a stream here. Okay. I just left my coffee there since it's still like hot, too hot. See? There's a stream here. And sometimes on that stream, there are people, even me sometimes, manulo day, catching frogs and freshwater crabs. So at night. So guys, when you are living in this place or in this home, which is the next neighborhood is a kilometer away, the means of communication is this walkie-talkie. So there is no phone service at all here, no internet service. So the communication goes through this walkie-talkie. But I don't have this one because this is very expensive, guys. This is expensive. It's like 1,000. So I don't have this. I don't have this one. But this is very, very important. Just in case you're in an emergency, you need help, or something happened to you while you're at farm, you can ask a help through this. But I hope someday I can buy one of this. And the person on the radio disseminating information, informing the community that there is a meeting will be held tomorrow. So see, and this been used for so many situations. And like this, for example, I'm going to call the other person or ask a help that, oh my God, I was injured or something. So this is important. But this is belong to them. This is not mine. Because magtigom pataba, like you're saving money to buy that, you know, it's not easy to buy. Expensive man yan. So, see? Mga pila ka oras na siya makuan hang tudugma. So, within 4 hours, the copra will be dried. And, let's see. It's like a oven. Pwede di mag-smoke ka dira kanang mana nimo karne no? Kaning baka smoked beef. You need to control then the fire. Kay if dili mo kontrolon ang fire, guys, mas sunog na siya. This will be burned. This is bamboo. So it's nighttime here, and the sister is preparing food for dinner. What's our dish?
It's noodles.
Noodles, instant noodles.
Yes, with egg.
And with egg. And if you look outside, it's really dark. Very, very dark. And you could only hear the frogs and cricket. So once this done, we will going to eat dinner. And this is where we going to sleep. The problem is we don't have mat, banig. This is how it looks. So noodles and the dried fish. So very cowboy here, guys. So we're going to cook this dried fish. I love dried fish. Okay, aray. Ouch, ouch. So let's eat, guys. We are using this chargeable lamp. I don't know what happened to my lens, but yeah, I only have 2% battery. And yes, let's eat.
Bangay daw sa
Let's eat.
hala. Isa na mga dila.
Atin.
Siya.
Yan. GD naman ito guys.
Let's eat guys.
Go. Wala, pamalubat din siya. Hindi siya pumalubat siya. Wala, pumalubat ka basta. Let's eat. Hello. Nala ng hilo.
Hello.
So, very, very dark here. Okay, wala may electricity.
Hala.
So let's eat guys because I'm saving my battery life.
Because I don't have.
So, we're done eating dinner guys. And at this moment, this radio behind me, this broadcasting a prayer. So prayer broadcast. Because usually, in this community, which is, there are like born again Christians. So they are broadcasting through the walkie-talkie some preachers. And by the way guys, I'm literally running low of battery. I only have 2%. So I have to say maybe goodbye and thank you. But if I can able to film more the rest of the night, I will do. But just to let you know that I have a very, very bad battery in my phone. I can't able to charge it because there's no electricity. So that's it.